After being manufactured by the Grumman Aircraft Corporation in Bethpage, New York, as the F-11F/F-11, our Tiger was delivered to the United States Navy on November 27, 1957. It was a single-seat, carrier-based fighter aircraft in operation into the 1960s. Originally designated the F-11F under the pre-1962 Navy designation system, it was redesignated the F-11 Tiger under the 1962 United States Tri-Service Aircraft Designation System. A total of 199 F-11 aircraft were built, with the last one delivered to the Navy in January of 1959. The F-11 was originally designed as an improvement to the then F-9F Cougar, with the two prototypes beginning their test operations in 1954. On September 21, 1956, the Tiger became the first aircraft to shoot itself down. During a test firing of its 20mm cannons, the pilot fired two bursts midway through a shallow dive. As the velocity and the trajectory of the cannon rounds decayed, they ultimately crossed paths with the plane as it continued its descent, disabling it and forcing the pilot to crash land the aircraft. He fortunately survived. Overall, the Tiger entered service in 1956 and was flown from several different carriers. Frontline use was limited, though, due to its performance being inferior to the F-8 Crusader. Through the late 60s, the aircraft was flown by the Naval Air Training Command in South Texas, so students could experience supersonic flight. Between 1957 and 1967, it was also used by the Navy Blue Angels flight team. The aircraft was assigned to Squadron VF-33 at Naval Air Station Oceana, Virginia, and deployed to the Mediterranean aboard the USS Intrepid from February 1959 to August of 1959, and again from August 1960 to February 1961. It was then placed in storage at Naval Air Station Litchfield Park, Arizona. In December of 1961, it was moved for overhaul and repair to the Bureau of Naval Weapons, Cherry Point, North Carolina. It was then returned again to storage at Litchfield Park, Arizona. It was redesignated as an F-11A in November of 1962. In January of 1965, it was recovered for overhaul and repair again at Cherry Point, and then in March of 1965, it was assigned to a training squadron, VT-26, at Naval Air Station Chase Field, Beeville, Texas. In November of 1968, it was dropped from active inventory, and in June of 1991, it was displayed on the USS Intrepid at the Sea Air Space Museum in New York, New York. It was recovered and moved to MAPS on November 19, 2004. After its restoration, it was put on display. The aircraft on display is on loan from the National Naval Aviation Museum in Pensacola, Florida.